This Fruit Loop made a video titled "You are drinking water the wrong way, how to drink water correctly." And this has got well over 1 million views. So let's see how we are all drinking water wrong. Roll the titles.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As always, just a quick reminder that I'm now offering the SIBO, organic acid, stool tests and consult via my website. So if you have any health or digestive problems, then consider taking these tests, as they will provide a lot of very detailed information upon which you can start making informed decisions and then start getting your health back on track. And on that bombshell, to the video.
As you all know, our body consists more than 60% of water. Therefore, it is necessary for us to drink enough amount of water every day.
Okay, off to a good start. The average male is around 60% water and the average female is around 55%.
In order to keep the body healthy and stress-free. But if the same water drunk wrongly, at wrong time, wrong ways, it can cause so many problems.
I'm getting really worried. Speak on, dear friend, speak on.
It can cause so many diseases such as arthritis, heart disease, constipation, indigestion, gastric problem, skin disorder, hair fall, and many more.
Technically, some of those are true, but you would have to be severely chronically dehydrated to run into those problems.
If you notice, you will find more than 85% people drink water wrongly.
I put mine into a glass and drink it, so maybe I'm doing it wrong.
Due to this reason, knowingly or unknowingly, instead of getting benefits from the water, they are getting problems.
How so, my friend?
Destroying their health and the body. In today's class, I will be sharing with you the right way of drinking water so that you get full benefits from this beautiful, important elements of this planet. Please watch this video completely and share this video to your people so that you can help many others.
Do you hear that, my little Gojis? I'm sharing this with you because we are all in imminent danger. This is a public service announcement.
Namaste to all yogis. Welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashantj Yoga. As I said before, water is very important element of this nature. And for the body, it is the most important. You can stay without food longer for a week, 15 days also, but without water more than 3-4 days. It is very hard to live.
Okay, my friends, you need to pick up the pace a little bit here. You are stuck on loop. We are all drinking water wrong. How so?
Without water, we cannot even digest the food, not even get the nutrients out from food. When I'm saying water is very important, I'm not allowing you to drink at any time, in any position, anywhere, whenever you want. It is not like this. Today's video, I will be sharing you few reasons through which you will understand you have been drinking water wrongly during this whole time.
Anyone getting deja vu here?
Drinking water in standing position. These days, everyone is very busy. Everyone wants to do everything fast. People drink water in standing position because they want to finish this work. I have seen some people during running they drink water. This is completely wrong, and this is the main reason to disturb the function of your kidney.
This guy has clearly gone off the deep end. Over 1 million views this numbnuts has had.
It is very dangerous for the kidney. Understand now. Whenever we drink the water in standing or during running, our kidney are unable to filter this water in standing position, and this can lead to serious kidney issues because waste will not be able to filter by the kidney. Due to this, you can have a severe kidney problem such as swollen kidney.
This is why humanity is doomed.
Drinking in standing also disturbs the fluid balance. This may become the reason for the joint pain or arthritis. So here's my first suggestion for you.
Not even one shred of evidence, but go on.
Drink water in sitting position as much as you can. Sip by sip, or if possible in squat position. Because in a squat position, in sitting position, the kidneys are balanced and relaxed. Because you are supported by your buttocks and by your foot nicely. Your belly muscles are relaxed in that position.
I have never heard so much chuff in all my days, and I've watched both Vegetable Police and Tim Sheaf.
Gulping a lot of water at one time Second reason you might have seen, many people drink the water faster. They drink fast at a time. Because when you drink water fastly, your body doesn't accept the water. Water is not accepted and absorbed by the body, and body throw this water out.
Was this guy dropped at birth? Look, drinking a lot of water before or slightly after meals can cause a few digestive symptoms in some, but the rest of the stuff he is spouting is garbage.
So you are missing the benefit of that water which you just drank, because your body is not receiving it right now. When you drink water faster, this water doesn't mix with saliva. Saliva is very important because it balances the acid. The more saliva enters to the stomach, better it is for the digestion. But when we drink the water fast, saliva doesn't mix properly with the water, and because saliva is not mixed with the water, that water when it enters to the stomach creates acid.
This guy needs help and he needs to go directly to jail and not collect his £200.
Next, drinking chilled water right from the fridge.
If you notice, and maybe you are one of them who drink the water right from the fridge, many people who live in city, and especially those who live in higher temperature, they have a habit. Whenever they come from the work, from outside, whenever they come from outside, they open the fridge and drink the water, cold water, chilled water, or they put the ice in the water when they drink. Even in family, kids, if they come from the school, because they have seen the parents does the same, so they also do the same thing. They take the water bottle from the fridge, chilled water, and they drink. Understand? First of all, when you drink the water from the fridge, the first thing what it will give you, it will block your throat.
Anyone drunk water and their throats have blocked? Let me know in the comments below.
And you will get cold faster or cough. Your throat will be completely blocked. That can happen. And the second thing, it disturbs the whole digestive system. If you drink the cold water, it shrinks the blood vessels, which doesn't allow your blood to move to your digestive area. And when you eat food, it means at that time, your digestive system is not very well working. So whatever you will eat, your food will not be digested properly. And especially many people, what they do, they drink the water before food, cold water before food. It is very wrong.
Again, drinking a lot of water before or after a meal can cause slight digestive issues in some, but he really needs to do some biology and chemistry 101.
Cold water also solidifies the fat in the food. Due to this, you get indigestion. One of the side effects of drinking cold water is joint pain, also heart disease, such as decreasing the heart rate. So here's my suggestion for you. Drink first of all lukewarm water or the water which is normal temperature. So what you can do is you can buy copper jar or glass, put the water at night and keep it, drink in the morning. It will be very helpful. Even during the day when you come home, keep one jar of copper, water in copper, keep it, and whenever you come, you drink.
Did you hear that? Drinking water is going to give us heart disease and joint problems.
In ancient time, people used to drink the water in mud pot. What it does, when the water is in mud pot, it maintains, balance the pH level of water. It is very beneficial. If you can do, I would suggest you to do that.
I must really pop out later and buy a mud pot.
These were the common mistakes which people do during when they drink the water, and few suggestions from my side you must do. Now, I will tell you what and how you should drink the water, how much you should drink the water so that you can get the proper benefit from this.
Oh, I'm looking forward to this.
When to drink water. First of all, drink water whenever you feel thirsty.
This guy is a living, breathing genius. We are all in the presence of greatness.
Whenever you feel dehydrated, you can drink at that time. But do not skip drinking water early in the morning. The first thing what you should do when you wake up, don't brush your teeth. Many people, they go brush their teeth and drink the water. Don't brush. Drink first water in the morning before you brush your teeth. What happens with that? Scientifically, it is proven that the first saliva in the morning, very good for digestive system. It's very important for the body.
Scientifically proven, you say?
So what you should do, when you wake up, you drink the water. You can do lukewarm water. Sometimes people use a lemon. It is also okay.
Always the lemon water, isn't it?
It keeps the digestive system, it keeps your intestine more free to pass the stool. So the first thing you will do, drink the water early in the morning, at least 2 glasses of water if you can. If not, at least 1 glass of water you must try.
Because 1 glass of water in the morning has always been possible in the human evolution.
Second, the question comes, can we drink the water before food or after food? Understand, at least 30 to 40 minute gap you must have before food. So first you drink water, take half-hour gap, then eat something. And after you eat, at least 45 minute gap you must have.
Gone through most of the video and we are now getting some partial truths. Drinking a lot of water before or after your meals can cause digestive symptoms, particularly if you are someone who is already experiencing digestive issues such as gas and bloating.
Do not drink right away. That will keep your digestive system strong so that the food can digest properly and you're not disturbing this process. How much to drink the water? Actually, this question is quite complicated because everyone has a different ratio and different way, different measurement that how much they should do. It depends on the height, depends on the weight, depends on what they eat.
This is going to be good.
At least 2.5 or 3 liter you must drink. But you must remember one thing, that you get the water from the vegetables and the fruits also. So you shouldn't go. It depends. If you are a person who eat more kind of fruits or vegetables, so you don't need that much 3 liter water per day. You need only 2 liter maybe. So you must see and check by yourself.
The average adult, when not exercising, needs around 1.5 to 2 litres of water a day. 1.5 litres will come from what you're drinking, and the other 0.3 to 0.5 litres will come from the water contained in the foods that you're eating, and also it is created as a byproduct of your metabolism doing its thing. You certainly don't need 3 litres a day if you are not exercising. Maybe if you find yourself stranded in a desert though.
And the last one, copper. Drink in a copper jar or copper glasses. Very important, because when the copper is mixed with the water, it is very healthy for the body. For example, such as weight lose, slow down aging, helps digestion, boost immunity, improve the circulation, cleanse the blood. These were the few final suggestions from my side. I hope you like this video, you learned something. Now your time is to share this so that your people, you can help so many people. Everyone can come to this yogic routine to stay healthy and happy. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.
All I can say is you are welcome. Anyhow, that's the end of today's madness. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out this one up here because I'm sure you'll find it equally interesting. And the only other thing that's left for me to say is to remember to look after your body because it's the only place you have to live. And I'll see you next time.